Hello everyone, this is Korede from Promage Studios, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 easy ways to change your video from one aspect ratio to the other. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to be telling you my favorite of them all and why I prefer it. The reason why you might want to change your video from one aspect ratio to the other is if, for instance, you created a video for YouTube platform and you want to post that same video on Instagram Reel or TikTok. The aspect ratio of 16:9 that works perfectly on YouTube will not work on Instagram Reel or TikTok. So you have to convert it to either a 4:5 or 9:16, which is a perfect aspect ratio for this other platform. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to convert this video. I'm going to be converting it to a 4:5. So the first thing I'm going to do is to duplicate this project. Now I'm going to select the aspect ratio which I want to use. So I'm using 4:5 for this one. Immediately I select the aspect ratio, it's going to duplicate that project and I'll have it as a new project on my list. So I'm going to open the project now. So you can see it is now in a 4:5 aspect ratio, no longer 16:9. So what I'm going to be doing now is to readjust my media files and my write-ups so that they will not be cut out of the frame. So I'm going to be selecting my text, decentralize them, then I'm going to be reducing some of them that might be too big and they are cutting off already. For these clip graphics files that looks as if the write-up is being shrinked, what I'm going to do to correct that is that I'm going to select it, go back as if I want to edit the write-up or the font. Immediately I do this, you see that the write-up will take its proper shape again. I have a complete tutorial of KineMaster where I explain everything in details and what function they do. If you have not seen it, I'll drop the link to it in the description and also in the annotation above, so you can just check it out. The second method is for videos that have already been saved on your device. Maybe it was edited with another app or it's a video file that you copied from somewhere and you want to change the aspect ratio. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to duplicate this as a layer so that I have 2 copies of the same video. I'm going to be readjusting it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to scale up the main video file so it fills up the entire screen. To do this, I'm going to select the media file, go to pan and zoom. I'll make sure that my start position equals my end position by selecting this equals to symbol here. Then I'll scale it to fill my screen. Then I'll click here to apply it. The next thing I'm going to do is to apply Gaussian blur effect to the video layer that is below. So to do this, I'll click on my layers, go to effects and scroll down to basic effects. I'll select Gaussian blur. Then it comes as a separate layer which I'm now going to scale up to fill up my whole screen. So that's okay. I'm going to click here to apply that. So the next thing I'm going to do is now to increase the strength of the blurriness that is applied to the video. So to do that, I'll just select the layer, go to setting and increase this till I'm comfortable with it. But you can see that it's affecting both my layer and the one below. To fix that, I'll click on the blur effect, then click on this button here and I will select send to back. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to adjust the duration of my blur effect so that it starts and ends with my video. So you can just make some minor fine tuning to the videos. If anything still needs for you to scale up or scale down, you just do that immediately. Before I show you the third method of doing it, I want to inform you that this channel is dedicated to teaching how to shoot and edit videos with your smartphone. If that's what you are interested in, then subscribe to this channel and press that bell icon so that YouTube will always inform you when I release new video. For the third method, I'll bring in my clip as a layer. But before I can do that, I have to place something on the main video layer, which I will just choose a black color from my image assets and use it to occupy that space. So I can now bring in the video that I want to use. I'm going to scale up my video to fill up my entire screen. Then I'll select my animation button. I'm going to be playing through the video to see when my subject will be going out of my screen. So whenever I notice that, I'll add a keyframe I'll just go forward a bit and add another keyframe. Mind you, I added a first keyframe, then go forward a bit, added another one before I started recentralizing it. So I'm going to be playing through all this video and readjust everything like that. So I'm done with everything. Let's play it over and see what it looks like. So my best of them all is this last one I just showed us now, but it actually depends on the type of video I'm working on. Sometimes I use the first one, sometimes I use the second one, and sometimes I even use all of them together. If you have learned something from this video, let me know in the comment section below. This video over here are the different tutorials that I've created about video editing in KineMaster, while over here is another video that you might be interested in. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Shalom.